Nature. Nothing in the nature lives for itself. The river don't drink their own water. The trees don't eat their own fruits. The sun doesn't shine for itself. And the flower fragrance, it's not for itself. Living for each other is the rule of nature. So, it's the time for nature.
Environmental Day 2020 is based on the time for nature with a focus on its role, providing the essential infrastructures that supports life on earth and human development. Let's nurture the nature so that we can have a better future.
Protecting our planet, uplifting the people from poverty, advancing economic growth are the one and the same fight. We should connect the dots between climatic changes, water scarcity, food security, etc. Solution to one problem should be solution for all. Our planet's alarm is going off and this is the time to wake up and take action, and this is the time for nature.
Nature is a wonderful and incredible thing that inspires us all in all the possible manners. It is so important that we can't even imagine our life without nature. It provides us food, water, shelter, and it also regulates the ratio of carbon dioxide and oxygen in the atmosphere, and you can talk many things about it. And the most important thing we have to remember is that we are just a part of nature and we can't rule that all alone. So this is time for a nature.
With 1 million species facing extinction, there's never been a more important time to focus on biodiversity, right? Yeah, this is the time for nature.
Our smiles are flowers, and our breath are the misty clouds. Our heart is the sky, and blood is the ocean. Our hope is the greenery around. It's obvious that nature can be perceived as a reflection of us. Who owns nature, and who nurtured it? How can everybody try to claim it and exploit it? This has passed on us from generations, and it needs to be preserved for future generations. A better environment, a better tomorrow. It's time for nature.
A better environment, a better tomorrow. Save the planet. It's time for nature.
Nature is a place to transfer, awaken, heal and find a boost in creativity. I have always found that whenever I'm feeling stuck in sad or sorrows, I prefer finding some good time with nature. Immediately I feel refreshed and more energized. To celebrate World Environment Day, I invite each and every one of you to start reconnecting with nature. Everyone can make a positive impact on nature.
No one in this world is dare to say that I'm not enjoying the nature. Even the stars, moon, sky, cosmos, black hole, rain, mountain, everything are making us pleasure day by day and second by second. Why can't we save them and make her to glow more and more day by day? So please save nature, and it's time for nature.